Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel for ServiceNow hacks. Let's get started. In this video, the topic which I'm showing is, if you want to upload the data to any table like user table, location, department, we need to make a template first, right? For import set and transform app, we should have a template, Excel template for filling in. Or if you want to share the, template, make a template and share it with the end user or any businesses to collect the data, then you don't need to do it manually, where ServiceNow offers that it itself create a Excel template for you, including all the fields for that table, which is available. So let's see how we can download that. For example, I'll show you the user table. Suppose I have a bulk, user data has to be uploaded, and I need to make a template with all the fields, right? So just go to user table and click on here and click on import. And once you click on import, here we have an option that create an Excel template file with entire data, where it includes all the fields. We can check this include all the fields and create a Excel template. So once it is completed, you just have to download this and we'll wait for downloading. So now this is downloaded. If you just open this Excel, this will tell you that what are the fields guided, everything it will show you. In the page one, you can see all the fields which are available here, with respect to user table. And also wherever the choices are there, ServiceNow is also giving the option here for true or false. Wherever we have a choice field, wherever it is normal string or something, so that will show empty, and you see exact field names are already available here. Here if you want to delete some field which you don't want to include in the template, you can just go ahead and delete, and you can make it. So this is one example. Same thing, you can go anywhere. Suppose I'll go for location table. If you want to upload bulk locations, just go here, import, and create a template and download. So your template is ready. You don't need to do this manually every time by going to template and filling all the fields, all the names manually, right? So this is the great feature, I would say. And if you're not using this so far, I must say that you use it, right? See, now location table is also enabled, and if you go to page one, see all the location table fields are stored here. Every fields are already available. You just have to fill the data and upload whatever you want to. So that's it for this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and support. Thank you all.